In this video, I would like to explain how to multiply and divide fractions, including mixed numbers. So let's go. The first question here, 2/3 times 1/5. When it comes to multiplication, just multiply the numerators. 2 times 1 is 2, and multiply the denominators. 3 times 5 is 15, and that's your final answer. Now, for division, we usually say it's keep, change, flip. What's this means? It means keep the first one. So the first one, 2/3, we'll just write it. Change the division into multiplication and flip the next one. Instead of 1/5, it's going to be 5/1. Now it's just multiplication. So how do we do it? 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 1 is 3. This is improper fraction. We can't leave our answer as improper fraction. So how do we convert this to a mixed number? How many times 3 goes into 10? It goes 3 times. What's the leftover? 1. And keep the same denominator. And that's the beautiful final answer. Now let's go to multiplying mixed numbers. 2.5 times 3.5. The first thing I'll do is I'll convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. How do we do that? Multiply here and add there. So 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, so it's going to be 5, and keep the same denominator, which is 2, times, let's do the same thing here. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, so it's 7/2. Now it's multiplication. How do we do it? Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. 5 times 7 is 35, divided by 2 times 2 is 4. And again, it's improper fraction. We don't leave the answer as improper fraction. So how many times 4 goes into 35? It goes 8 times. What's the leftover? 3. And keep the same denominator. How amazing. Now division, it's fun. Let's do it. First, convert into improper fractions. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8, so it's going to be 8/3, divided by 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16, over the same denominator. Now it's division. Let's make it multiplication. How do we do that? Keep the first one, keep the 8/3, change the division into multiplication, and flip the next one. So it's going to be 5/16. Now we can do multiply 8 times 5 and 3 times 16, but that's a lot. In such case, let's reduce. So divide the 8 by 8 and divide the 16 by 8, because they are both divisible by 8, right? So 8 divided by 8 is 1. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So the question will now look like this. 1 times 5, because here we just have 1. So it's going to be 5 divided by 3 times 2, which is just 6. And that's our final answer, 5/6. Now, do you think you understand? If you do, let's first try to do these two questions up here. Now, we have 5 times 2/3. If it's just a whole number, it's always easy to add just 1 down here. And now it's easy. 5 times 2 is 10. Divide by 3. And then we convert this into a mixed number. So how many times 3 goes into 10? It goes 3 times, and the leftover is 1/3. We finished. Now, how do you understand this multiplication and division? Was it easy? If you do understand, please try this question and comment your answer. Thank you for following. Bye bye.